Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Stellar tokens on Revolut and want to move them over to Crypto.com for better management or trading opportunities, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make this process smooth and secure. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Revolut and Crypto.com accounts set up and verified. This is crucial to avoid any delays or issues. Open your Revolut app and head to the Crypto section. Here, you'll see your Stellar balance. Double-check that you have enough to cover any withdrawal fees. Next, select Stellar from your crypto holdings and choose the Withdraw or Send option. Revolut might prompt you to enable withdrawals if it's your first time, so follow the on-screen instructions. Now, switch over to your Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet, find Stellar, and copy the wallet address. This is super important. Double-check that you're copying the correct address to prevent any loss of funds. Back in Revolut, paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the fees, and hit Confirm. You'll likely need to authenticate this with your Revolut security PIN or biometrics. Once submitted, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, jump back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet to see your Stellar tokens arrive. If everything goes smoothly, you're all set. Remember, always keep an eye on transaction fees and network conditions to save money. This process is straightforward, but if you run into any hiccups, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. See you in the next video.